Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you disable your cross-device withdrawal verification. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application. And after opening the Bitget, just simply tap into this icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap there, and after that select your profile. Now, after selecting your profile, you just simply have to select this option of security. Select security and scroll down to all the way bottom. And after that, you will get this option of withdrawal setting. Just simply go to withdrawal setting and you will get to see this option of cross-device withdrawal verification. Now, in order to disable it, it is very simple. You just simply have to disable this toggle and it will lead you to this page where you will have to paste the code from your authenticator application. Just simply paste the correct code from your Google Authenticator and tap to confirm. Then your cross-device withdrawal verification will be disabled. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.